Hello, hello, and welcome to a special Siam Park vlog.
Sam, is it Sam?
Siam, whatever it is, Siam. We've never been to this water park before. We have got just base tickets. They were €44 each, but we did see in the park that you could buy some fast passes on the day for €38. This is a realistic day for what you can do at Siam Park on a baseline ticket.
I'm excited.
You get soaked. Not worth an hour at all. Oh my. Welcome to
Siam Park!
That was a bit of a chaotic start, wasn't it?
It was, yeah. So on the way in, there's two entrances, one to the left, one to the right. You can get in either of the queues if you've bought online tickets. It's just the right-hand side you need to go in if you've got Fast Pass or VIP tickets.
Yes, come here for 9 AM. Slides start at 10 AM. You need to get in a queue for your locker. It's €7 for a locker.
Yeah, €7 for a locker, and I think there was different sizes, small, medium and large.
And then get your sunbed, and then I believe people then run to get in line.
In the lines, yeah, for whatever you want. So it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, but there are maps all around the park. So we're trying to make our way here to Singha, and we are currently here. So not far really. I'm excited. There's a kids area called the Lost City. It's got a few slides, falling little waterfalls, anything a kid could enjoy actually. So we're in the queue for Singha, which is the one Kai doesn't want to do. There's about 15 minutes till the queue opens. Yeah. I'm hoping I can ride it on my own. Thank you.
What did you think?
It is so much fun, but you get soaked. The water hits you and it just goes boom.
Out of 5?
Oh, 5. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Loved it.
So we've invested in these water shoes because we have been advised that the floors get really hot. They permit flip-flops and Crocs, so if you've got them, you're good to go on the rides. So these, surprisingly good value, €10, and I thought that's just to rent them for the day, but no, you get to keep these, so actually for us, it's a bargain. Right, it's time for me to actually do a ride now, so we're going to go do the Naga River.
It's actually called the Naga Racer, not the Naga River.
Oh, I'm thinking of Pandora Land, aren't I?
You are, you're back in Disney. We've got in the queue for the Naga Racer, and it looks like quite a long queue. So it's 10 to 10.
10 to 11.
Oh, 10 to 11. Let's see how long it takes for us to get on.
Nervous?
Yeah, I'm alright actually. Are you?
A little bit.
Oh, God.
Oh my God!
I love the racer. It's really fun, and it took us 25 minutes in the queue. That was just with the normal regular ticket. Yeah.
But who won?
You.
I won, and I was the more nervous one.
You did. I would say it's not that busy in here so far today. So far, I wouldn't really say the Fast Pass is worth it.
No.
So now we're off to do the Giant. So we are in the queue for the Giant. What's the time now?
Bang on 12 o'clock.
Let's see how long it takes.
Down there, I assume.
Here we go! That was fun.
Not worth an hour at all.
We've just done the Giant. It was about an hour, I think, the queue for
It was
that.
an enormous waste of time.
Kai says it's a waste of time. I enjoyed it, but I do agree that it's not worth an hour's wait.
There's no signpost saying like 10 minutes left, 20 minutes left like
No.
on the other ones.
No, so unless you've not been on the ride before, you have no idea how long you've got left in the queue.
Yes. So far we've done, between us, 3 rides, I think?
3 rides, yeah, and it's just coming up to
Well, it's
10 past 1.
10 past 1, and we think the park shuts at 5, so we're going to try and grab some lunch quickly now, and then maybe do the lazy river, a bit of the wave pool, and then maybe some other rides.
Hopefully a couple of other rides.
Maybe the fast pass is worth it. We'll see.
We'll see. The jury's out at the moment. We've come to the Thai house for food. It's grab and go by the looks of it. To start off with bread, and then goes into all pre-made salads then. So you've got a sweet corn salad, a tofu poke bowl, a chicken poke bowl, a Thai salad and a mixed salad towards the end. In the centre of the whole buffet you've got, well, what looks like any drink under the sun. So I think there's alcohol in there, and then all your usual soft drinks are available as well. There is some soup available, although it doesn't tell you what flavour it is. There's also then some hot dogs. I personally think they need to be a little bit more toasted than that. There is smash burgers, hamburgers, and of course fries. Again, all the prices listed above, so that's good. It's really clear signage. Also then some half chicken on the grill. They are the Canarian potatoes. So I'm going to go for the barbecue spare ribs. Gracias. Then you've got some chicken nuggets for the kids, and of course the chicken strips with some spring rolls over there that look nice and crispy. And then annoyingly, right at the end of the buffet, they've got a nice curry with some fresh rice, which if they'd put that at the beginning, I'd have had it. By the time you've sat down, the food is cold. It's really cold. Chips are a bit like cardboard, to be honest.
I went for a spring roll. I'll try a spring roll. I've been told there is no meat, so I really hope there is none. Nothing to complain about, but nothing to shout about.
I'm going to tuck in now on the barbecue spare ribs. I mean, it's quite nice that they've got other options other than fried food here. So as I said, they have got some meats. It's not the nicest spare ribs I've had in my life. Because it's taken so long to actually sit down to eat it, probably give it a 2.
Right, lunch all done, and now we're going to go on the lazy river.
With a twist. Looking forward to seeing what it is.
Oh my god, it's freezing.
Oh,
Oh, now this is a bit more relaxing, isn't it?
very relaxing.
Oh, it's putting the lazy in the lazy river.
Oh, it really is.
Oh, crash. Oh. Oh, watch out, there's some crocodiles.
Oh no. I'm so glad I'm sat at the front right now. So now we're in the queue for the twist.
So you get divided on the left lane if you want to do the twist, and if you don't, you stick to the right.
Oh my god, nice on the man.
Quite nice on the buttocks.
Oh, it is. It's a nice little sit down.
What a big drop. Oh my gosh, this is quite unnerving.
Well, overall, I thought that was very underwhelming. What are we doing now, Kai?
Time for the Mekong.
Mekong Rapids.
What did you think?
It's definitely rapid.
Yeah, really quick, but actually really, really fun.
Really, really fun, and I just love cheering Kai scream all the way down.
I did scream. That one is my favourite one so far, definitely.
Yeah.
Right, we're now at Siam Beach.
Yes, and it's actually quite chilled round here. It's nice and relaxing. They do set off a wave machine in this area. Not sure how often it goes off though.
So we just found out that it's every 22 on the hour. Oh my gosh, the waves!
Oh god.
Oh, bloody hell! Shit! Oh my god, Dave!
It's okay, it's alright.
Oh god! I mean, we're right at the back and that was so strong. That definitely is stronger than Typhoon Lagoon in Disney.
Absolutely.
Oh my
It
god.
looks like a full-on tsunami coming towards me.
Yeah.
So when I saw it hurtling towards me, I thought,
Shit. Yes.
oh my god. Oh my god! Oh, fuck me!
Well, we've gone from dry to drenched within about a minute.
Yeah, so that was the, I don't remember what it was called.
That was
Safari or something.
We call it the safari.
Yeah, that is Safari.
Yeah, that was really fun. But the queue took almost an hour.
Yes.
Their estimates are rubbish, and it's quite a painful queue because you're in this narrow, long, high-up staircase.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
once you're on it, it's really fun. So.
Yeah, I think from the 10-minute mark, it actually took us half an hour.
Yeah.
But, oh my god, definitely do it. Well worth the wait. I loved it.
Yeah.
They're much nicer than the other ones, but these ones are $5.90, which, to be honest, is still a good price. But I think they might be kids. I think they might be kids' hats. I wouldn't say there was a ton of Siam Park merch as such. I'd say it's more sort of like a lot of animals, although they are Siam Park branded. It's sort of a collection of stuffed animals and some clothes. I can't see any pins. I can see some mugs up here, which are £8.50, I think. And they've got them in pink, blue and green.
Do have tote bags. They've also got these t-shirts. If I was to buy anything, maybe I'd get these. I mean, €6.90, you can't go wrong. The quality of the t-shirt itself is quite soft. Out of all the cuddly toys, I think the shark is my favourite. Can't see any pins, but there are lots of magnets and key rings all around the sort of €4-5 mark. There we are, all done at Siam Park.
I know, the day has gone so quickly.
We will see you back at the hotel for final thoughts.
It's made me sad.
Oh my God.
And we're back. We are back. So, what did you think?
I thought for €44, it was a fantastic day out. We didn't do the fast pass, and honestly, I don't think you need it unless you're really, really, really against queuing the odd long queue. We didn't need it at all.
So it's the 17th of June today, so it is before the summer holidays.
And a Wednesday.
And it's in the week. We only did 2 rides that were about a 50-minute queue. The rest of them we were on in under 10 minutes, and some of them we walked straight on. So we did, all together, we did the Naga racer. We did the Giant. We did Saifa. And Singha. And the Mekong Rapids. Well, I loved it's the lazy river, but they call it the Mai Tai River. I loved that, and you can just loop round the river without doing the actual, I guess, the ride.
There's a
bit at the
diversion
end.
which has an exciting slide. It's like an actual attraction within an attraction, and that's really fun.
Yeah, that's really fun. I enjoyed that.
Food-wise, it wasn't brilliant.
No.
But it wasn't super expensive either.
No.
However, they say they check your bags. It is the weakest security I've ever seen in my
Bag
life.
check.
So you probably can take food in and you'd be fine.
Because I think on the website it says they charge you €350, but I'd just take the food in and pay the $3.50, to be honest.
You'd be fine.
Well, they did check the bag, but
It was like...
yeah, it was fine.
You could have had anything in there. And I would also say don't buy Fast Pass online. Wait until you're in the park and then buy the Fast Pass on the day. They have water shoes for €10.
Which actually just makes it all so much easier, doesn't it? You haven't got to worry about your flip-flops or anything.
No. Thank you so much for watching. We have got part 1 of our Tenerife vlog series out. This was a little bonus vlog in between. So then next week we'll have part 2 of our Tenerife, which will include a boat trip. Oh wow.
Lots of food.
Straight off the bat, 5 out of 5.
Try that one, Dave.
So what's this one?
Cheese and basil.
It's not for me.
It's delicious.
And a little trip to the old city of Adesia.
This is where the locals are, so I feel like we're getting a little slice of proper
Tenerife life.
Yeah. So catch that next Friday. Like, comment, hype, subscribe, all of it. It really does help us. And follow us along on Instagram for all other fun. And we'll see you very soon.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.